Okay guys, I just decided to make a video of this because I did lots of research on my speaker. It kept on going on and off. So if you have a Chevy, this is meaning about Chevy. I don't know about other cars, but if your speaker kept on going on and off due to weather, because what my car does is that whenever it's cold, the radio gonna start playing. And I just now realized that if this happened to you, all you gotta do is to open this and check those speaker wires. As you can see, all these wires, you see, you gotta re-tip them.
Okay.
See, so that's a problem right here, because those wires been affected by rain. Look, as you can see, you see, you gotta put a new speaker wire. You gotta put a new electric tape on it. You see, it's not supposed to be this milky. So what happens is that whenever it's rain, the water comes down here and then straight onto those speaker wire. So you're gonna have to change those electric tape and put new tape on it. Simple fix. But if you can do it, you can hit the mobile mechanic up. You see this?
Okay.
Look. It's not supposed to be like this. Look. See? Because my other door, it was doing that. And I had to re-tip them, and now they are working super cool. Ain't got no more problem with them. So if you had the same problem, just open it and check those speakers wire. Those speakers are fun, but it's just that the factory tip, it's not good anymore. You just gotta change them. Look. See? It's not that strong enough now to like support it. So we're gonna peel all this wire, those tip off, and put some new tip on.